Well, hello there. I'm Big P today. Shed. Great glorious shed. Shed. We can see we have a bin at the shed. Yeah, not so good, I'm afraid. Didn't really sleep well last night. It seems I was yeah, I don't really want to fucking what's with the bloody what's with the bloody whoa, fucking hell. As you can see, this wooden thing is a bit broken down here, and the weather good, but there may or may not be a nuke coming to Kingdom of the Shed, but for now we are not too sure. We are maybe bomb testing, but just don't tell anyone. But as you can see, it's been a little bit chilly overnight. You can see there's a bit of ice in there, a bit of I think that's a candle, it seems. There's a few batteries down there. Don't know if you'll be able to see that, but maybe if you come over here, young man. Come over here, young man. That's what I thought. Now, I believe maybe if we come in here, if you look in there, there's it seems what seems to be some ice in there. You can see there's a nice little tube here with the tube all the way up to the gutters. Yeah, the beautiful gutters. These beautiful gutters have been duct taped. Absolutely amazing. Watch out for the window. Don't want to get your face. What the fuck? What's with the bloody tigers? I believe there is some music playing right now. I'm very not okay with that. But
listen, this is our national anthem right
here. Sorry sir. Thank you very much. Hello Adam Stevens, how are you today?
Good, would you like to hear this new song?
I would absolutely love to hear that.
Just come on! I'm gonna come! Ruin time zone. Ruin time zone. I need to do you want me to skip to the good part? If you want, yeah.
Please make one. I need to know what happens next to the umbrella cover.
Ah!
No, I can't. They'll be happy soon, don't worry. That's your battery,
I totally made this.
I think it would be someone gets it.
What do you want?
That is absolutely an insane song, and I believe it's time for us to go to the back of the shed and have a fat, juicy wank. But it seems there's already people here now. Now, if you zoom in on this old decrepit little man. What's with the bloody come? Hey, what's with the bloody tigers? Fucking hell!
You little monkey! I'm gonna report you to the council.
Whoa, hey.
Whoa, fucking hell. What's with the bloody tigers? Is he alright? Now if we go over here, we have a very delicious bag from Aldi, and it has slate in it. I believe that is there, yeah, very good. And I believe we have a screw, and for our new drink named Surgeon Screw. Very good advertisement. I'm not sure if it is actually called Surgeon Screw yet. We are still in the very good making. Hello, young man. I'm not gonna shake your hand. My hands are very much. Don't do that ever again. It's a bit wet. But anyway, how are you doing today?
Well, I heard you discussing Surgeon Screw, and I would like to confirm Surgeon Screw is called Surgeon Screw.
Is it gonna have a screw in it?
Yes, it is going to.
That's amazing. Oh!
To get that extra spiky
Disclaimer.
We did not take any liability for any injuries or deaths caused by Surgeon Screw.
Drink at your own risk, kids.
Drink responsibly.
It may or may not have alcohol in it.
Yeah, so I'll throw in like an advert in for the start, like what is the advert in Scotland? Is it like something like drink aware?
Drink aware, yeah. The hiking in, yeah.
Oh, why do you keep putting the camera in my face?
Yeah.
want that, man! Can I put the camera in my face? Hey, Peter, go.
Hey, you can kill yourself with the bloody tag as well. Fucking hell. Is he alright? And I think that we are finished.
Also, could I bother? Yes, there is bomb testing happening. Currently. Perhaps this weekend there will be some announcements. Officer Dunlop will say more of it.
You're filming him touching me.
I'm trying to tiger.
Anything you'd like to add?
No.
Oh, wait, no, I got